guys, welcome to my channel. Jazzy here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a try-on haul for a few transitional pieces that I feel are really essential to have in your closet from winter to spring seasons. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some things that I picked up from RoseGal.com and basically tell you guys why I feel like everyone needs these specific garments in their closet for the transitional seasons. So if this is something you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Before I jump right into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload new content, you won't miss out on any of my uploads. Alright you guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. So I have a few things that I want to mention to you guys about RoseGal.com and how this whole process went. So I went ahead and I placed my order on February 28th, which was the last day of the month in February. I received an order confirmation number on March 4th, and I received my first package on March 17th. And then like a week after that, I was still receiving like little packages here and there. So altogether total, I picked up 10 items, and out of the 10 items, I only received 9 of them. And it's currently like April 13th when I'm filming this video, so I gave it a little bit of time to see like if RoseGal was gonna send me my other piece, and they actually did not send me my sweater that I ordered. So I will have to go ahead and reach out to customer service because it's almost been like 2 months and I have not received this item yet. So that's something to keep in mind if you're thinking about ordering from RoseGal.com. I know on their website it says like from 5 to 8 business days, I believe. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure I let you guys know before I went ahead and jumped in and showing you guys like what I decided to pick up. So the first item I have to talk about is this denim jacket. So transitioning from winter to springtime, you do want to have a lot of jackets and a lot of pieces that you can layer up. And I feel like this is perfect because denim is always in season and denim is always trending. But I also like this denim jacket because it has long sleeves and it is elongated. So it's a little bit longer than like your normal like torso denim jacket, and it keeps you nice and warm. I really like this denim jacket because it's a nice type of denim. It's not like a thin, cheap denim like the ones that they make out of like the denim t-shirts. This is actually like some really good denim. It's really good quality, and I actually already wore this, and I paired this with a t-shirt and a corset, a lace-up corset, and some jeans and boots, and this kept me really warm. It looked really nice outside, but it was around like 50 degrees, so this jacket really helped me stay warm but really still fashionable at the same time. The next item I have to mention to you guys that I feel is an absolute necessity when it comes to transitional pieces is a coat. You have to have a good puffer coat, and you guys, this coat right here is actually velvet, so it feels really soft. And when I first received this jacket, I was so surprised of the quality. This is really good quality because on the website it just looked like a normal puffer lightweight jacket, but when I got it in the mail, you guys, this is a real heavy duty coat, and I feel like you always need something that looks fashionable but still keep you warm at the same time. And right now these puffer jackets are really in, they're really trending, and you can pair this up with like some cargo pants and some boots, or you can dress it up and add it with some like jeans and heels, and you have like a really cute off the shoulder coat. You can like pull it down a little bit. I think this is really important because you don't want to get sick, especially during like the flu season, which is when a lot of people do get sick from winter to spring because it feels so good outside and you don't want to wear a lot of clothes. But I feel like having a really heavy, high quality coat is important. Moving on to another jacket. I feel like you can never have enough jackets when you're transitioning from winter to spring because, again, like I've already told you guys, it can look one way but in actuality feel another way when you step outside. So I feel like this black jacket was a really good piece to add to my collection because it's really lightweight. It's not necessarily like a heavy jacket, but it's super duper stylish. It has some faux leather, and right here as well for the collar, and it has some nice silver hardwire. I haven't worn this jacket just yet, but I have so many outfits that I plan on pairing this with, and as you guys can see, I love black jackets. I feel like you can never have too many black pieces in your closet, and especially like during the spring season, you never know what type of tops you're gonna be wearing, something colorful, and you might need a black jacket just to tone it down a little bit to coincide with the temperature, because you know, a lot of the times in the spring season it can seem like it's gonna be super duper warm, but in actuality it's still kind of chilly. So yeah, I really like this jacket, and this jacket is a little longer than your normal standard jacket. It's full body length, I guess you could. Moving forward, I'm gonna go ahead and transition from outerwear to some heavier pieces that I feel like you can wear underneath your jackets and your coats. The first one that I have to mention to you guys is this super duper cute pink ruffled sleeve sweater. So like, you always wanna have some really thick sweaters in your collection, especially when you're transitioning from winter to spring. So definitely around like January and February, you really wanna have a good stock of sweaters because you're gonna be wearing sweaters like all the time. Sweaters for me is just a quick something to throw on. It's gonna keep me warm. It's gonna look put together and cute. I can just throw on some accessories and just be really good and ready to go. And I really like that this one has the ruffled sleeves because that gives it another detail and another element to the sweater. So it's not just like this basic pink sweater. And I must say, you guys, this sweater keeps you really, really warm. I was really surprised because a lot of the times when you order from Chinese websites, the clothes are not like the best quality, but I've been so surprised and so shocked throughout this whole entire haul. You guys, a lot of the pieces that I picked up are really, really, really durable and the quality is really good. So I wore this sweater already. Actually, I had an event that I went to and I wore this to the event. I actually didn't even need a coat because this sweater was so thick and it kept me super duper warm. I was actually sweating underneath my arms because it was so hot in the venue. And I think overall, you definitely do need a thick sweater. I definitely think you can pair this with some jeans or you can pair it down with some trousers to make it more business and more formal like. So yeah, overall, I definitely think this sweater is really, really cute. There, you guys can see it a little bit better. Moving on to the next item, it's another sweater, and you guys, this is actually like a turtleneck sweater, and I love the embellishments on the arms and on the bottom part of this sweater. You guys, it is just so freaking cute. I've actually washed this. I haven't worn it yet. I wanted to wear it, but it wasn't thick enough to the event that I was going to. But this is something that I would definitely have to put like a cami on underneath because it is a turtleneck, but it's not as thick as like the other sweater I showed you guys. But I think this color is really, really pretty because, you know, you sometimes do need some dull colors, but not all like bright colors because spring and winter, sometimes you need like a middle color in between, and I feel like this navy blue is really good. You can wear it in the winter, or you can like throw some really pretty colorful jewelry on and you can wear this for the springtime, like to church or something, or a business event. And yeah, I really do like this. Again, the detail on it is really what sold me. I will say on the website, it looked a lot thicker than what it is here, but I mean, I really still do like it. It doesn't take away the fact that this is a really, really pretty blouse, and I will wear this. The last sweater I have to mention to you guys, it looks really plain at first. It's this gray V-neck sweater, but then when you turn it around at the back, you can see that you have this really cute knot at the back, and then it opens. It has like a little flap. You need something like this in your wardrobe because it's almost really playful and flirty. So you can definitely wear this out for cocktails, or you can wear this like to class and have it like hanging off your shoulder a little bit. You can definitely pair this with some ripped jeans when it feels like a little warmer outside. Or honestly, you could definitely pair this with some really cute sweats and just have like a really cozy, comfy type of day. I really like the fact that the sweater has the knot at the back. The only thing that I don't like about this is I have bigger breasts, so I definitely will have to wear like a bandeau because I can't wear this without a bra. And honestly, I wouldn't recommend wearing this without a bra because even though it looks like it's a thick sweater, it's on the medium side. It's not too thick and it's definitely not too thin. But as you guys can see, I have on a cream sweater and I have a black jacket on top of this cream sweater to keep me warm. Even though today is April, almost May, I still wanted to go ahead and layer up because it looks really nice outside, but it is still really, really cold. I think today is like 45 degrees. The highest was like 52. So I still wanted to be really fashionable, but still cute and still warm. So, and a lot of the times with some of these pieces up here, that's what I'll go ahead and do. So like this gray sweater right here with the tie at the back, I'll go ahead and I'll sometimes pair this up with maybe like this black jacket because it's lightweight and this will look really cute together, and it'll still be really fashionable if I just throw on some jewelry or some accessories and just look really, really cute with some, maybe some light wash denim jeans or even dark wash. I could definitely see this being paired with some dark wash jeans and maybe like some booties or heels, and you have a look already, and it's still gonna keep you nice and warm and comfortable yet stylish as well. The last clothing item I picked up from RoseGal is these two-toned pair of jeans, you guys. I have to show you what these jeans look like. They are just so freaking cute. I seen a pair on Missguided.com that looks so similar to these, and I didn't find them in my size. I wear size 2, you guys, and it seems like on Missguided, size 2s go really quick. So when I seen them on Missguided and they didn't have my size, I was really bummed about it. But when I seen them on RoseGal like a few weeks later, I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try, because you never know. And I wanted to test out the quality of their jeans, because again, a lot of the times when you're ordering from websites that are based in China, you never really know the quality that you're gonna get. But these jeans, I actually wore these jeans with this pink sweater, and these jeans are really cute. If I have a picture, I'll insert it in the video right now. But these jeans are super duper bomb, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical about the two-tone colors, you guys, but I really like how at the front they have like the two-tone in between, and in the back it's like a light wash with the darker pocket. I think it's really cute, really classy, because I've seen some jeans that are two-toned that are one tone on the incomplete front and then another tone on the back, and it looks a little trashy to me. So I really like the way that these were made, and I really like the way these jeans fit. They fit like a glove, almost like Fashion Nova jeans, but Fashion Nova jeans just fit like out of this world. So these are really comfortable for the price. I definitely think it is an alternative if you don't want to spend a lot of money at Fashion Nova for their jeans. I would recommend buying some jeans from RoseGal.com, because they are really good quality. So that's all the clothing items I picked up from RoseGal.com. Besides the other sweater that they didn't send me, I will insert a picture of this bomb sweater, you guys, because it is so cute. And out of everything that I ordered, I think the sweater was the thing that I was like looking forward to the most. But I'm not gonna complain about it, because I feel like I found a lot of good pieces that are good to transition from winter to spring. And I do have a few accessories that I wanna show you guys. These are a pair of sunglasses. These right here are really cute, and these are just some really hard, simple pink sunglasses. These are on trend right now. I know you guys have been seeing everybody and their mama wear these. So these are really affordable. I think I paid under $5 for both pair of sunglasses. And these right here as well are very much on trend. These look really cute, really sleek, and you can pull them down just a little bit. Again, I believe they were under $5. And for everything that I picked up here, you guys, I paid $200, and that was including shipping. And also you have to keep in mind that I paid for a sweater that I didn't get. So I still have to, you know, contact customer service and see what's up about that. But for the most part, you guys, these are some pieces that I think every woman needs in her closet to transition from winter seasons to the spring season and still look fabulous on a budget while you're out there staying warm. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. I don't know what you're waiting on, because I upload twice a week. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, I will catch you in my next video.